You should tell people.
Hey guys. Okay.
Outside.
Hey.
That's how you start your video. Hey. Actually, Roman decided that he would do a vlog right here, right now.
We're at a park and all the parents look at us weird.
And like 4 of our other friends are gone right now.
Yeah, they went to Starbucks, but
And I'm not allowed to leave, so these people stayed.
at the end of this vlog, I'm gonna put all the pictures and videos we have from this because it was actually really fun.
And she spit all over
She
herself.
spit all over herself. Like now we're laying on her baby blanket, which is covered in grass stains now.
I can't lay on my stomach anymore. It hurts my baby too much.
Jessica
Also
is
hurts my
pregnant.
boobs really bad.
She got impregnated by me,
you.
my dream penis.
I love your penis.
I know.
Cutie.
She slapped my butt.
I'm a pregnant man.
Baby!
We should go down to the water.
It's perfect! Mom, should go down to the water.